Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Bruno here, and we are at the Integra Coach Dealers Open House, bringing you some new product and innovative product. The Ethos 20E floor plan with a Murphy bed. Yes, a Murphy bed in a conversion van built on a Ram ProMaster chassis. So let's take a closer look. Nice large awning on the coach, the entire length of the coach. This is a great compact package to get out and travel, but still have a lot of fun, and I'll show you why in a little bit. So up front we have our traditional Ram ProMaster gauges, gauge cluster, and all the safety features. Really nicely finished seats, as you can see here with the quilting. We have a jump seat in the back here that you can use as a dinette for eating as well. Our fridge right at the door with a mini freezer. Our Dometic double propane range. And then of course, convection microwave down below, and our single sink and good prep space. Lots of storage throughout, as you can see, the whole bank of cupboards. Multiplex wiring on board as well with the app on your phone. A decent sized wet bath, and I'll pan down so that you can get a good look at that, with a fixed sink, which is something you're not seeing in a lot of wet baths these days. As we pivot around, you'll notice a great spot that you can be able to put bicycles, kayaks, other storage gear, and there are the lock places on the floor already to secure your gear. But the nice feature, as you noticed here, is the Murphy bed. We're going to do this one-handed. Flick of a switch, down comes the Murphy bed, push the cushion over, and you've got a great sleeping space that's easy to get into. And if you happen to be backed out onto a lake or a river, be able to enjoy that view. There's also a great screen at the back of the coach that you can put down to keep bugs and dust and dirt out. And then when you're done sleeping, it's nice and easy. Simply flip up the bed to its lock position, which is right in here, and the Murphy bed's out of the way, giving you access to the full storage. Now, let's walk our way through here, and we'll take a look from the back. And as you can see, some additional storage back here, privacy curtains on our doors, and here's the large screen that I talked about that offers privacy but also venting. As well, we'll give you a little close-up. You can see the screened open areas to let natural light in. We have several hookups in the back for power, and then you can place a bike rack or a carrier rack for additional capability. A nice, neat, small package to be able to get you out camping but still live an active lifestyle. That's the 20E Ethos by Integra Coach, built on the Ram ProMaster chassis. Want to say thank you to you, our viewers, for viewing the channel. Please like and subscribe. We greatly appreciate it, and it helps support the channel across the board. Check back soon for more videos on great products from Integra Coach and other manufacturers throughout the industry. Thanks, everyone. Take care. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV.